how to draw a human figure in 3-point perspective using grid lines, that is an ant's point of view. Start by taking 2 dots. These dots are the vanishing point of our drawing. Then take the third at the top of the page and then start by drawing grid lines. What I mean by grid lines are the perspective lines. Lines that vanish to the vanishing points are called as grid lines. As I have been saying in each and every video I've made about perspective so far, that grid lines help us visualize perspective better, and that is why I draw grid lines lightly if preferable to get a clear understanding of how my perspective is going to look. I get the clear image right in my head, right? Next, to draw the human figure, we'll start by constructing a cuboid. We'll be constructing the cuboid keeping in mind the lines of perspective, because all these lines will vanish to the vanishing point, right? Now, keeping in mind that the vertical line will always vanish to the uppermost vanishing point, because this is 3-point from Anne's perspective. Then I'm drawing again a cuboid for the upper body. This also I'll draw keeping in mind the perspective lines. Now, an important thing to understand in 3 points perspective from an ant's view is that the head would be smaller compared to the leg. Like, it will not be proportionate to the eye, but it will still be in proportion to some extent. Yeah, that will go in later in another video if possible, but this is how I explain it to the basic people, the people who are learning it right now, that the feet is going to be bigger compared to the head, right? And if you are wanting to learn perspective more, there are lots of videos on my YouTube channel. You should definitely go there, learn more, and crack your design entrance exams. Thank you.